Today, we're going to cover a new feature that's rolled out in Microsoft Teams. When sharing a YouTube video or other streaming link in a Teams chat, we now have the option to watch together. Now, if we press watch together, what that's going to do is it's going to start a brand new Microsoft Teams meeting, which we're going to do right now. Now I've joined into the meeting. I can add participants. I can start using YouTube together, and we can click on start sharing. That's going to prompt me to add the YouTube app if I haven't already added it. I'm going to do that right now. And it's going to allow us to start watching the video directly from YouTube in the player within the meeting. I have all the regular meeting controls, so I can add additional people into the meeting as I see fit so that we can watch this video together. I can also I have a toggle down here within the YouTube app to turn on group control, which will allow the entire group of participants in the meeting to control the playback of the video. Super handy and fun little collaborative functionality that's recently been rolled out in Teams. Can really help when we need to review a video together or just need a break.